Get soaking wet quicker, making the best use of the water available. The Amane Heavenly Rain Showers creates a mist sensation spray that will get you soaking wet quicker than other shower heads. It's like that wet rain you'd get if you were climbing a mountain where you get soaked to the skin. Basically, the Amane shower plate helps make the best use of the water you have available and creates a wetter spray with its 615 streams of water. If you imagine the ceiling was your shower plate. A standard shower head typically has between 50 to 90 spray jets. So you could probably walk through the spray, dodging raindrops, and not get wet. A rain shower is a bit better, because you tend to get somewhere between 150 to 300 spray jets, so you'll get wet. However, with an Amane Heavenly Rain mist sensation a shower, because you've got 615 spray jets, now if you walk through the spray, you can't help but get soaking wet. There's a great video on the website that shows the difference between an Aqualisa rain shower with 160 jets on a 4-bar pump, and the Amane Heavenly Rain mist sensation shower head. The difference is amazing. You get totally drenched. The Amane shower head works on a wide range of water pressures, from half a bar to 4 bars. You can see the full specifications on the back of the packaging. The greater your water pressure, the better the experience. Also, if you ever move or upgrade your shower or move house, you'll be able to bring the shower head with you and get the extra benefits.